Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. Lynn's Cooking. Today we're going to make refrigerator pickles. They're a sweet pickle. What you will need is 6 large cucumbers, 1 large red onion. You're going to need the alum, which is going to be 1/2 teaspoon. You're going to need mustard seed, which is going to be 1.5 teaspoons, and 3 teaspoons of salt. You'll need 3 cups of regular sugar and 3 cups of apple cider vinegar. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 3 cups of apple cider vinegar to our 3 cups of sugar, and we're going to just pour all the apple cider vinegar into the sugar. And what we're going to do is we're going to stir this around until it dissolves the sugar. Okay, we've got our sugar mixed with our apple cider vinegar, and it's dissolved in there. Now you're going to take your alum, pour that in, salt, pour that in, and your mustard seed, and pour that in. And we're just going to mix this up until it dissolves the salt, which doesn't take long, and the alum. And then we're just going to set this over to the side. Okay, what we've done is we've taken our onion. I've just cut it up into bite-sized pieces. We've taken our 6 cucumbers and I've sliced them up. You can slice them however thick or thin you want them, but the thinner they are, the faster they're going to wilt. So, and you can also do spears. You don't have to do it like this. So all we're going to do is we're going to give it one quick stir of our mixture that we made with sugar and vinegar. And we're going to just pour this over the top of your cucumbers. Now, the reason I am using this pot is because this is the largest pot I've got. It's about 5.5 quarts, and that's what you're going to need. And then after that, you're just going to take and you're going to put your onions on top of so. Okay, what I've done is I've put everything together in this 5.5 quart pot. And you're just going to stir it in slowly so that you don't spill it. And you're just trying to get your cucumbers wet. And then after you do that, you just put a lid on it and you set it in the refrigerator overnight. And the next morning you get up, you will have fresh pickles. Okay, our pickles have sat all day long. They've sat for about 8 hours in the refrigerator. They've wilted down. These pickles will keep in your refrigerator for 6 months. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe.